Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick video showing what technology I use, just in case anybody was curious. So this is my Apple setup, I guess you could say, as of 2021. So here's my desk. You can see I have an iMac G3 and a Macintosh 512K, which I obviously don't use. They are just kind of there for decoration. The iMac G3 does work. The Macintosh doesn't. Maybe I'll have to make a video fixing that one day. But yeah, those are just there kind of for decoration, but I thought I'd show them. Then we have my main computer. This is a 2017 15-inch MacBook Pro, 256 gigabytes of SSD storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM, running Big Sur. This is what I edit all of my videos on and stuff, so yeah, that's my computer. I like it overall. I do wish it was more repairable though. I do worry that the hard drive is going to fail far before I want to upgrade from it, and since you can't replace those, I'll kind of be out of luck. Here we have my iPad Pro 2017. This is the 64 gigabyte Wi-Fi only model, and I have the smart keyboard and the pencil for it. I make my thumbnails on here, but otherwise this is more just for me watching YouTube, and sometimes I join my Google Meet classes from here, but yeah, so this is just my tablet. I got this tablet broken and fixed it just to save some money. And I actually made a video on me repairing the screen on this, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description. I never replaced the housing though, and you can see it is a little bent, and the battery doesn't last too long, so I will probably replace this soon or repair it, I don't know yet, but for now it works. And then we have my late 2009 Polycarbonate Macbook. It has the maximum 8 gigabytes of RAM and a 240 gigabyte SSD. I bought this in untested condition, I think. But I just had to replace the battery, and it mostly works. So it has a pretty much brand new battery. The trackpad is in pretty bad shape. I kind of had to glue it back in because the battery expanded and like kind of pushed up and cracked this. Also, the this arrow key doesn't work. I have no idea why. And for some reason, like when you hold down option to get to the like boot options, so you can like boot from a flash drive or whatever, it doesn't work. I have no idea why. So yeah, it was kind of annoying to install an OS on this. I don't know why it's like that. This computer acts really weird sometimes, but yeah, it's kind of a fun little like side computer that I just use when I feel like it. I like the keyboard and everything on it, so yeah, it's fun to have around. And this computer just kind of goes in there, so it's just out of the way, and then when I need it, I can take it out. Next to the computer, this is like where I charge my devices. I got all my cords, so they just kind of sit in there away, and then these cords are actually when I want to connect the device to the computer. Speaking of computers, the big screens, there is no computer that goes with this. I just plug my MacBook in with these cords here, and then I use my Beats Pill for sound. So yeah, these are just my two screens I have. They're not the best, but I got them for free, so. And then I have my Apple Watch Series 3. This is just the Wi-Fi 38mm model. It's pretty nice. It's really scratched because I'm bad, but yeah. And it's like what I was saying with the cords, like I have these cords over here, and I have this dock just kind of like Velcroed to the top here, which just makes it really easy for me to plug things in one-handed. And then I can use USB-A cords because USB-C lightning cords, for some reason, you sometimes can't put devices in DFU mode with those. So I do need to use USB-A cords. This makes it really easy. Not to mention all the other USB-A things I have. I just have two available ports, and then these two go to my mouse and keyboard. Then there's my phone, which is an iPhone SE 2nd generation, 128 gigabytes. This is just my screen protector, not my screen. I should really replace my screen protector, but yeah, I have a mouse case on it. I really like it, so yeah, I like my phone. That's the phone I use. Sorry for the worst quality. This is actually what I record all of my videos on, so I'm recording on my iPad right now, which is probably terrible quality. And finally, in my repair setup, we have my Thinkpad T41, which I did a repair on the screen, so I'll link that video in the description as well. This is just in my repair area for restoring phones and using old programs like iFaith, which I did use recently. Again, I'll put a link in the description. So yeah, this is just used for very basic tasks, and it sits up here right next to where I repair phones. So yeah. Anyways, that's just about all. I know this video is pretty poor quality and just kind of thrown together, but I just thought I'd show you in case anybody was curious about that. Anyways, way more exciting videos in the future, so stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.